Good day, everyone. My name is Logarithms. I welcome you to Examhood. Examhood is an online platform that gives access to learn from seasoned and experienced tutors. Do well to follow us on all social media platforms and comment, like, share with friends. Thank you. I'm your online mathematics tutor. My name is Logarithms. See you in class. Welcome back. Logarithms of numbers greater than 1. This is the logarithm that I want to treat. Logarithm is divided into two parts. A, an integer. There's a part called an integer. Let's see, for instance, log 850.9, which equal to 2.9299. How we got this, I'll explain in as we continue. But let's see how they are being divided for now. Now, an integer is talking about this part, which is also called the characteristic. And then this other side, which is the after decimal point, we call it the decimal fraction part, which is also known as mantissa. Now, we'll take some examples. Welcome. This is the basics of logarithm. Logarithm of numbers greater than 1. That's what we're treating for now. As go on, you get into complex ones and you see less than 1. Alright, example. Using logarithm tables, find the logarithm of 6.980. You see something like this, log 6.980. This is what you see. So for you to solve this, you use your logarithm table only. Now, there's something you need to note before you do this, before you're able to solve this. You count the number of digits before the decimal point, and that will lead you to your characteristic. Now, how many digits do we have here? We have just one, isn't it? Let's see for this. We have 2, right? 1, 2. Now, log 82.31, right? Now, for this, you have just 1. You will say 1 minus 1. We do subtract, you must subtract just 1 from the number of digits you have before the decimal point. Look at for this now. Okay, this gives us 0, right? Now look at for this. 1, 2, that is 2. Minus 1 gives you 1. So this 0 here stands as your characteristic for your answer. Now this is 1. That is 1 point. So you get to see what we are going to do. Now, another thing you should do in solving this. Since we have our characteristic already, we need to get our mantissa. Now, to get that, you say, you go and check your logarithm table. 69 under 8, difference 0. But there's no difference 0 in logarithm table. So, it is 1 upward. So, for this now, you should have difference 1. You get it? Now, let's see. 69, 8. You check the answer, then you go and check the difference if there is difference, but for this case, there's no difference. So let's check. 69 under 8 gives us 0.8439. 0.8439. 0.8439. Alright. Since it is 0.8439, you just add it to this. Of course, you just add it to the 0.8439. And that is your answer. Basically. Now, for this other aspect, let's see. I told you check. You already have your characteristic. It is only your mantissa you need to go and get now. Now, 82 under 3, difference 1. 82 under 3. Then you add it. You add difference 1 to it. 1. So, let's see. What is 82 under 3? 82 under 3 gives us 9154. 9154. Now, difference 1, let's check. Difference 1 gives us 1. So, I told you that will be plus 1. The answer you get when you check under 1. So, 1 plus 4, 5, 5, 1, 9. So, it is 0 point, that is 0 point. So, you bring it down here, 0.9154. So, 0.9154 comes here, 0.9155 rather, and that is your answer. Thank you.